My name is Phil Jones, and I am the president here at Rada Manufacturing. So Rada is a 76-year-old cutlery manufacturer. We make and sell kitchen cutlery, so think of chef's knives, paring knives, vegetable peelers, spatulas, things that help you make the meal in the kitchen. You know, we had a great team that had worked really hard for a long time, maximizing the channels that we were in, and we were watching things just change. The world was changing, the channels were changing, and so we really needed some help at the strategic level and the tactical level both, but really that strategic level of saying, who can come alongside of us, who has experience, who has maybe a bigger worldview, who has access to other thought leaders and research that can help us craft a plan and then start putting some action behind it. It's really been about like, help us understand where we are, help us craft a plan of where to go, and now help us begin to get there. It's been good to have somebody come in and say, I hear what you're saying, here's how we can put this in the Authentic model. The Mindshare has also been good for us because it's more than, let's say we went out and hired a professional CMO, then we would have to find a peer group, then we would have to find a roundtable or something like that. Well, that comes ready-made with the Authentic model. We really want to see how some of these strategies of advertising and marketing and branding are really going to impact sales this fall and winter. Then we'll analyze that, see what that means for us and how we move forward, and also what kind of team do we need as the business models and the marketing models change. So I think we're at a really fun time to see how has this gone, what are the fruits of the labor, and then what do we build for sustainability. I think for a lot of small, medium businesses that have done it themselves in the past, it can be scary to reach out and to make that first contact or inquiry. But I would just recommend people do, because you're at least going to have a great conversation and some more contacts at a minimum. And best case, you're going to have somebody, kind of a mountain guide to hike along with you and give you that support you need to get over the hump and to that next level. So I would recommend it.